1. If you're looking for a rugged and reliable 1985 Ford F350 Crew Cab XLT, you're in luck. This beast of a truck is up for sale for just $5,500, which is a steal considering its condition and features. First off, let's talk about the exterior. This truck is painted in a sleek white finish, which is sure to turn heads wherever you go. And with its interior color being red, you'll have no problem making a statement on the road. Plus, with its diesel fuel type and 4-speed manual transmission, you'll have no trouble hauling heavy loads or cruising down the highway. Now let's talk about the condition of the vehicle. According to the seller, this truck has no significant damage or problems, and it's even been paid off with a clean title. Plus, it's been well maintained with new tires and a Banks turbo kit, so you can be sure it'll run and drive great for years to come. One thing to note is that the truck can be a bit hard to start when it's cold, but other than that, it's a reliable machine. And with its 6.9-liter diesel engine and down a 60 kingpin front axle, you'll have no trouble tackling tough terrain or hauling heavy loads. Inside, the interior could use some TLC, but it's still in decent shape. With its red upholstery and functional features, you'll have no problem getting comfortably behind the wheel and hitting the road. Overall, this 1985 Ford F350 Crew Cab XLT is a great deal for anyone looking for a rugged and reliable truck that's ready for whatever adventure comes its way. With its diesel engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and impressive features, you'll have no trouble tackling the toughest terrain or hauling heavy loads. Plus, its affordable price tag of just $5,500 makes it a steal of a deal. So don't wait. Get behind the wheel of this beast today and see where it takes you. 2. So you're looking for a 1985 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Coupe 2D that's up for sale, and you've got your eye on the one that's priced at $5,000. That's a pretty sweet deal, if I do say so myself. Now let me give you the lowdown on this beauty. The exterior is sleek and sporty in black, and the interior is stylish and comfy in gray. It's a fuel-sipping gasoline engine, and it's got an automatic transmission that's smooth and easy to use. Plus, with only 57,600 miles under its belt, this Firebird has got some serious driving miles left in it. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, the seller has mentioned that the paint is a bit chipped, mostly on the hood. But hey, that's just a small price to pay for a car with such a rich history. And hey, at least you'll get to enjoy the nostalgic feel of cruising around in a classic Firebird. Oh, and did I mention that this baby's got some serious muscle under the hood? Yep, it's powered by a 5.7 V8 SBC 350 engine, which is the same one used in a 1985 Chevy C10. That's some serious horsepower, if I do say so myself. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the whole no cold or hot air situation. Well, the seller's taken the whole A/C unit off, so you'll have to rely on the natural breeze for now. But hey, at least you'll save on those pesky A/C bills, right? And finally, the sellers mentioned that the wheels are brand new, but they haven't really been run on yet. So you'll get to be the first one to put some miles on those bad boys. Overall, this 1985 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Coupe 2D is a real gem, and it's definitely worth every penny of that $5,000 price tag. Plus, with its rich history and sporty style, you'll be the coolest cat on the block in no time. So what do you say? Are you ready to take this baby out for a spin? 3. I've got an awesome 1968 Chevrolet Impala Fastback up for grabs, and it's a real beast of a machine. With a price tag of $14,500, this bad boy is a steal. First off, let me tell you about the specs. This baby's got an automatic transmission, and it's fueled by something other than the usual suspects, gasoline or diesel. The exterior is a fiery orange that's sure to turn heads, and the interior is a stylish gray. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The seller's got some serious bragging rights when it comes to this car's history. It's been owned by 3 different people, and it's been paid off in full. Plus, it's got a clean title, so you can rest easy knowing you're getting a reliable ride. As for the car itself, the seller's got some serious mods under the hood. It's got a big block 468 400 turbo transmission, fuel-injected Edelbrock heads, roller rocker arms, and a stall converter. That's right, folks, this thing's a drag car. And with full race suspension, front disc brakes, and a painless wire harness, you'll be the king or queen of the track. But wait, there's more. The seller's also thrown in some nice extras like an aluminum racing radiator, a catch can, and 2 sets of wheels. And the best part? This beauty's not tubbed, so you can drive it on the street if you want. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, the paint's a bit older, and the door jambs weren't painted when the car was done. But hey, that's just part of the charm, right? And the seller's even thrown in a set of legs and windows to replace the old ones. So what are you waiting for? This 1968 Chevrolet Impala Fastback is a real gem, and it's ready to hit the road or the track today. Don't miss out on this sweet deal. It's a turnkey race car with too much to list. 4. If you're looking for a classic 1965 Chevrolet, you're in luck. I've got all the details you need to know about this beautiful baby blue beast straight from the seller's mouth. First off, this car has only been driven 5,000 miles, so you can be sure it's got plenty of life left in it. And with an automatic transmission, you can cruise in comfort without having to worry about shifting gears. The exterior is a stunning blue, and the interior is just as stylish with gray seats and all the power features you could want. But that's not all. This Chevelle comes with a powerful 350 engine and a 700R transmission, so you can be sure it's got the muscle to back up its good looks. And with power disc brakes on the front, you can stop on a dime with confidence. According to the seller, this car runs and drives great, so you can hit the road as soon as you hand over the cash. And with a price tag of $31,500, it's a real steal. Plus, the seller is open to trading for a pre-1972 car or truck, so you might be able to snag a sweet deal. Oh, and did I mention the seller is looking for a nice square body truck in trade? Yeah, that's right. You might be able to trade up for an even better ride. So if you're looking for a classic 1965 Chevrolet that's been well maintained and is ready to hit the road, this might be the car for you. With its stunning blue exterior, powerful 350 engine, and all the power features you could want, this baby is a real showstopper. And at $31,500, it's a real bargain. What are you waiting for? Get ready to take this beauty out for a spin and make some memories of your own. 5. Are you looking for a classic car that's a true gem? Look no further than this 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. With only 61,528 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been driven less than 5,000 miles per year on average, making it a rare find indeed. This Monte Carlo is a coupe that exudes style and sophistication, with an exterior finish in a stunning red hue that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. The interior is in need of some TLC, but the seller has already replaced the carpet to get you started. Under the hood, the engine and transmission are in great shape, and the digital dashboard is still functioning perfectly. According to the seller, the car has been well maintained and runs and drives smoothly, so you can enjoy it on the road right away. However, the seller notes that it does need some interior work, but the engine and transmission are in good condition. With a little bit of love and attention, this Monte Carlo could be the perfect classic car for you. And the best part? This 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo can be yours for just $3,500. That's a steal for a classic car in such good condition, especially one with such low mileage. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and make this beauty yours. 6. Are you looking for a classic ride that's both stylish and powerful? Look no further than this 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo base, available for sale at an unbeatable price of $22,000. This beauty has been driven only 60,000 miles, and its automatic transmission ensures a smooth driving experience. The exterior boasts a sleek black finish, while the interior is adorned with comfortable black upholstery. Plus, this baby runs on gasoline, making it a cost-effective option for any driver. The seller has provided a clean title, indicating that this Monte Carlo has no significant damage or problems. The car runs and drives perfectly fine, according to the seller, and has undergone some mods to enhance its performance. These include a Holley Sniper EFI, QA1 Level 2 full suspension, 2 and drop spindles, SBC 350 stock internals, 3 in long tube headers with X-pipe, and an Edelbrock intake. Additionally, the car features a Holley Sniper fuel tank with in-tank fuel pump and a TH350 transmission with a 410 gear. The interior is clean and comfortable, with an Optima red top battery installed in the trunk. This Monte Carlo is a true gem that's ready to hit the roads and turn heads wherever it goes. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and make this 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo base yours for just $22,000. 7. If you're looking for a real head-turner that's both powerful and unique, check out this 1977 Ford Mustang II for sale. With an eye-catching orange exterior and a sleek interior, this Mustang II is a real showstopper. And with a price tag of just $28,500, it's a steal of a deal. But that's not all. This baby's got some serious horsepower under the hood. The 351 Windsor base / 408 cubic inch engine with 4-bolt main and Beazle Valley girdle is ready to take you on the ride of your life. And with a 750 kfm E85 carburetor, power glide with 1.80 straight cut gears, and Ultra Bell, you'll be reaching speeds in no time. But don't just take our word for it. The seller has provided some impressive specs and details about this beauty. With a clean title, no significant damage or problems, and a 9 rear 4-link with 40 spline axles and aluminum through bolt center section, you can trust that this Mustang II is in top condition. Plus, it's been tested and proven to be a fast car, with 1/4 mile pass made at 9.84 and low 16s in the 1/8 mile in good air, and 6.20s in the heat. And the best part? This car has been well maintained and has been driven only 1,000 miles. That's right, you'll be getting a practically brand new car for a fraction of the cost. So what are you waiting for? Get behind the wheel of this stunning 1977 Ford Mustang II today and experience the thrill of driving a real classic. 8. I've got all the info you need on this 1967 Ford Mustang that's up for sale. This classic muscle car has been well maintained and upgraded with some serious horsepower under the hood. First off, the seller has noted that the car has been driven only 17,000 miles since it was first sold, so you can bet this Stang has been babied its whole life. The automatic transmission shifts smooth as silk, and the exterior paint job is a sleek red that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Under the hood, things get really interesting. The seller has swapped in a 5.3 LS engine with a Stage 2 Build 4 L60E transmission, complete with a Holley standalone ECU and all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a high-performance build. That means this Mustang is putting out some serious power and torque, perfect for taking on the open road or tearing up the track. Other upgrades include a new interior, new fenders, new doors, new hood, new trunk, and new bumpers. The car also features new wheels and tires, new disc brakes, and a new fuel cell for improved performance and safety. The seller has also added a Stage 3 suspension and a 2-step module for better handling and a smoother ride. Inside, the car boasts a full dash restoration with autometer gauges, push-start technology, and 12 functioning toggle switches. The seller has also installed a TurboSmart boost controller, 850 key injector, and E85 compatible fuel pump, so you can customize the car's performance to your liking. Now, there are a few things that need attention from the next owner. The door windows, headlights, and weather stripping could use some TLC, and the seller notes that the reverse and blinker lights on the rear are currently inoperable. Additionally, the car could use a trunk lock, glove compartment, and a cleanup job on the wiring. Overall, this 1967 Ford Mustang is a rare find for any classic car enthusiast or muscle car aficionado. With its well-documented upgrades and low mileage, this car is a real gem that's sure to appreciate in value over time. If you're looking for a unique and powerful ride that's ready to hit the road, this Mustang is definitely worth a look. Priced at $18,000, this car is a steal for anyone looking to own a piece of American automotive history. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a true classic. 9. If you're looking for a classic 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix in excellent condition, you're in luck. I've got my eye on a beautiful gold coupe with a 400 engine, automatic transmission, and only 197,300 miles on it. That's right, this baby has been driven less than 200,000 miles in its lifetime. The exterior is in great shape, with all original paint, pinstriping, and beige vinyl roof that still looks fantastic. The rally wheels and chrome bumpers are also in excellent condition, and the transmission and engine have been well maintained. The only thing that needs attention is a manifold gasket on the right side, but the seller has it ready to go. Inside, you'll find all original bucket seats that are still comfortable and supportive. The interior is fair, but it could use some upholstery work on the headliner. However, considering the car's age and condition, it's a small price to pay for such a rare find. The best part? This Grand Prix has been kept under a carport and well maintained throughout the years, so you can drive it with confidence. And with only 3 previous owners, you can rest assured that this car has been well loved and cared for. So what's the catch? Well, the seller mentions that the car needs some body work, but that's to be expected with a classic car of this age. And the interior could use some TLC, but again, it's a small price to pay for such a rare and beautiful vehicle. Overall, this 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix is a rare find that's ready to hit the road and turn heads. With its excellent condition, low mileage, and classic status, it's a steal at just $3,000. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take this beauty out for a spin and show her off to all your friends. 10. Are you looking for a unique and rare classic car that's sure to turn heads? Look no further than this 1949 Lincoln Cosmopolitan. With only 129,800 miles on it, this car has been driven less than 3,000 miles a year on average, making it a true gem for any collector or enthusiast. The exterior is sleek and stylish in black, with the iconic suicide doors that are a hallmark of the Cosmopolitan model. The interior is equally impressive, with clean and well-maintained seats, dash, and gauges. The carpet has been pulled, revealing the pristine floorboards underneath. This 1949 Lincoln Cosmopolitan is a rare find, as it still retains its original flathead V8 engine and automatic transmission on the column. The previous owner had started a restoration, but never completed it, so you have the opportunity to put your own touches on this beauty. And with all the pieces in glass to properly reinstall the windows, you can restore it to its former glory. Not only does this car have a clean title, but it's also been well maintained and has no significant damage or problems. The seller has provided a notarized bill of sale and transferable registration, making it easy for you to take ownership and start enjoying this classic ride. So why wait? Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. The asking price of $5,500 is a steal for a car in this condition. And with the demand for classic cars on the rise, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better deal. Get behind the wheel of this 1949 Lincoln Cosmopolitan today and experience the thrill of driving a true classic.